Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's general knowledge class. We'll be discussing the colorful expressions today. Idioms. Idiom is an expression, word, or phrase that has a figurative meaning that is different from the literal meaning or definition of the word of which it is made. Means वो phrases, वो expressions उनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं जो कि हमारी लैंग्वेज को सुंदर बनाते हैं, बट उनका मीनिंग, कहने का मीनिंग अलग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी स्पिल्स द बीन्स. शी स्पिल्स द बीन्स की अगर हम बात करें तो हम ये कह रहे हैं कि उसने बीन्स को फेंक दिया, लेकिन हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं ईडियम की. इट इज एन ईडियम. शी स्पिल्ड द बीन्स मीन्स शी टॉक too much and told the secrets. Learning objectives. After the completion of this topic, the students will be able to explain the meaning of given idioms in their own words, as well as they'll be able to construct sentences using the given idioms. Hello students, today we'll talk about colorful language. It is page number 2 of your book, in which few idioms related to colors are given. Today we'll talk about them. You all know colors add depth to our expressions. It make our English language more colorful with more variety. You also know that idioms are also very helpful for us. They are really beautiful ways of describing things in the English language, in any language, and they will add a degree of richness and variety to your spoken and written English. Let's start with the first colorful expression. To see red. To see red means to sense danger. It is always say that it is advisable for you not to go ahead cause I sense red. I see red. The second one is in a fit of blue. In a fit of blue means depressed or sorrowful, means something sad has happened. For example, I was really feeling blue after she told me she was leaving. Third one is white faced. White faced means pale and nervous. It means that someone or something who is pale and nervous often as a result of nerves. Means that person is having pale face as from pain, emotion, etc. If we want to use this in sentence, we will say, he white faced with fury ordered her to leave the premises. Fourth one, to feel green. To feel green means to feel envious or jealous. That means to be very unhappy because someone has something that you want. For example, Chad is heading off to Spain for the week and I am in green with envy. One is a grey day. A grey day means cloudy or a humid day when you are not clear with the thoughts. It also means a day filled with immense sadness, दुख से भरा हुआ दिन, and nothing can change it. कोई भी चीज उसको बदल नहीं सकती. For example, as far as I can see, he hasn't had a grey day in his life. Sixth one is in the pink of health. It means fit and fine. It means in very good health, in very good condition physically and emotionally. For example, when she is in the pink again, she will give you a ring. That means जब वो अपनी अच्छी कंडीशन में होगी तो वो तुम्हें फोन कर लेगी. The next one, seventh one is in black and white. That means something in written or print. Or we can say in writing, especially an agreement, contract or other formal document. जब भी हम कुछ भी चीज़ ब्लैक और वाइट से लिखते हैं उसे हम इन ब्लैक एंड वाइट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज सेंड मी द कंफर्मेशन ऑफ कमिंग इन ब्लैक एंड वाइट. The last one is browned off. Browned off means discontented, it means annoyed, it means unhappy about something. For example, when she locked me out, I was really browned off. This means जब मुझे किसी ने बंद कर दिया तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी, बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो गया. So with this, our topic finishes. Now I want you to give some task, and that is very interesting. What you have to do is, with the help of dictionary or with the help of internet, or you can Google it, write down any 5 idioms that are common about fruits in English. Means आपको 5 idioms लिखने हैं जो कि fruit से related हो. Thank you, students, and have a cheerful day.